welcome back, friend like Kajima here. So today's menu is gochujang 진미채, which is sweet and spicy dried squid. So stay tuned. Only one main ingredient and the other ones are all for the seasonings. So you can prepare the dried squid. And for seasoning, you can prepare some chili paste, mayo, rice syrup, sesame oil, water, minced garlic, sugar, and sesame seeds. The first thing what we're gonna do will be just cut the dried squid. If you get a small pieces of dried squid, then it's okay not to cut it. But in my case, I have some big pieces of dried squid in this, like this. So we will cut down first. Put them in a chopping board. And just randomly you can cut them. So a bite size will be good. While you are cutting it, actually we need to also boil the water. So just boil down the water. We're gonna use the crumbs. Dried squid, we call it 진미채. So I got some red one today. So this one we call it 진미채, which is red dried squid. So this one is thicker than the white one. I like both of them. This is one of my favorite banchan. Easy to make and it's so delicious. You can pour the hot boiling water over the dried squid. I'm doing this is because I just wanna make the dried squid soft. Make sure all dried squid is wet. And drain it. After drain the water, then we're just gonna put them in a bowl so it gets more soft. And this is the way how you can keep 진미채 반찬 more soft, because later we're gonna just put those ones in the refrigerator and there's a possibility it can get just hardened. So now we're gonna just put some mayo into it. So just put it, mix with it. Just like this. It looks like an imitation crab meat. So then just to set aside, then we're gonna make a seasoning. Here in the pan, we're gonna start with rice syrup. Then gochujang chili paste, garlic, some sugar, and you can start to mix. We need to boil down, but just keep stirring. As you can see, the sauce is like a little thick, so we're just gonna pour like teaspoons of water. Just boil it over high heat. So after 2-3 minutes of boiling down, when it gets to the thicken again, then just turn off the induction unit. Again, it's a thing now. Actually, this sauce reminds me of 양념 chicken, which is seasoned Korean fried chicken. So if you have a piece of fried chicken, then you can just dip into it. It should be so great. So now we're just gonna add those 진미채 dried squid into the pot together. So make sure you already turn the burner off. If you just keep hitting it, then that's the way how you can make your 진미채 so hard. So now we're gonna start to mix. I want to make them more shiny like a star in the sky. So here I will add some sesame oil. So just pour it all over. It will give you the flavor of the sesame oil, and also it will just keep your 진미채 반찬 more shiny. And also you can add some sesame seeds. Put it just all over. Smells so good. Right before you serve, you can sprinkle some sesame seeds additionally on top of it. Then also chopped green onion, just a little pieces. Nothing just to add flavor, but just only for colors. It can be a good banchan side dish for a week or two. It looks like it's spicy because we added some chili paste. However, it is a good mixture with the mayo, the savoriness, and also the aroma flavor from the sesame oil and sweetness from the rice syrup. So good, you gotta trust me, right? So I hope that you enjoyed my cooking video today. And if you liked it, please just subscribe to my channel and press the like button for me before you leave. So I'll come back with more nice recipes and I hope to see you in my next video. So thank you and 또 만나요.